Welcome back, guys. In this new video, I will be looking at roof/roof framework. I will also be touching on the different types of roofs. Uh, roof roofs varies. The design varies, material varies, name differs. Um, some typical types of roofs that you may come in contact with from time to time. Probably you might not experience them in Jamaica or on most construction sites, but you'll experience them at some point in time. And there are types of roofs, and it is important that you know these because CSEC likes to send open gable. Oh, this is the most basic hip roof, and hip roof. All four sides are sloped, and they are sloped at an angle, typically 30 degrees. This is a open gable. A gable end roof is a roof that has the difference between a gable end has the wall going all the way up to the ridge, like in this case. So the wall meets at an angle all the way up here. So it has two slopes mainly on that main side. um these are some other box gable, not very popular. Dormer roof. This might be, you might see this around. So the dormer roof is a combination of its two gable combined. And note this end is referred to as the gable end. Dutch gable, combined gable. We have hip and valley. And hip and valley is more popular in our region. Hip and valley. So here is the hip. So we have for hip and valley we have two hip roof combined, and where they combine here is referred to as the valley. It's called hip and valley roof. And this is a hexagon roof, pyramid roof. With pyramid roof now, all the hip rafters meet at a point, and this is typical. This is typical for like square structure. This one is a salt box, and this is a variation of the gable end roof, the gable roof. Gambrel, Gambrel. These are more popular on farmhouses. So you'll find these more in the states where they do a lot of farming. Yeah, so and I've not seen any pitch roof here. So this is just one. Here we have a flat roof here, and so called a shed roof. We have a butterfly roof. Yeah, butterfly roof here, and this is a pitch or lean roof. Yeah. Please take note. What I'll be doing, I'll be sketching the elevation for some of these roofs. So this one is the gable roof, and the plan for the gable roof is very simple. I'll be sketching that one. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to draw the roof outline for a simple a pitch roof. It's gonna be a pitch. This can be a pitch, or this can be a gable. So with a pitch roof, well, no, pitch roof, the roof is sloped in one direction. With a gable, it's sloped on two sides. So for gable, this would have been a ridge right here. So this is how the gable roof would look, or gable or pitch roof. Remember, the pitch roof you have mono pitch where the roof is pitched on one side, and we have pitch where it's pitched on both sides. Gable. Remember now that gable roof, which I will pause a little bit and highlight here. take note of the gable roof right here. You see the gable roof? The gable roof here has a ridge right here. That's the gable. The pitch, I don't want this one. This is the pitch. This is the pitch, or skillion, or lean roof. This is a mono pitch. You have cases where it pitches to both sides, something similar to this. Mono pitch, or skillion, or lean, and they have a pitch. It's called a shed roof, right? Our butterfly roof is similar as well. So the plan view for these roofs would look something like this. This would have been the plan roof for that. So to complete this roof, remember, we typically have the fascia board around here, which is typically 25 millimeters. And the ridge, well, this is typically how the roof would look when you see the roof, when the roof is viewed from above. But for the framework, we would have the ridge going across here. Yes, and our rafters would run across here. And remember that our rafters are placed at 600 millimeters apart. From here to from center to center is 600 millimeters, or 550 from here to there. And the thickness of this is 50. Remember now, the thickness there is 50. Okay, 50 millimeters. And we'd have the same thing going across here. Going all the way across there, yeah? For some roof framework, you might have the purlin, which goes across here. You might have that. If it's a case where you plan to use, for example, zinc on top of it, you might have the purlin there. But these are the rafters. So this is not a must. This is an option. It could also be a case where we use plyboard over this. We could use plyboard over this. Yeah? So we could place plyboard over this and add our shingle material. So we could use shingle on this roof. Shingle or tile or whatever material they want to use. Yeah? You could use that type of roof as well. So this is how a gable roof framework looks on the plan. Gable or pitch. Remember, gable. The difference between a gable and a hip roof is that for the gable roof, the wall forms a V. So let me go back to Google. So remember now that for the gable roof, the wall forms a V here, as opposed to hip roof. A hip roof where the roof is like this. Roof can be like this. This is shed or a mono pitch roof. Yeah. So take note of that. Gable end or gable roof is like this. No, you can have a combination. Hip roof now has all sides sloped at an angle of, in most cases, 30 degrees. Right? 30 degrees. So take note.